Okay, hello everybody. I'm Mom, and here's daughter. Who are you?
London.
I didn't want you really to say your name, but anyway, we're going on our adventure of making
Fine.
So, this little recipe is the Elmer's recipe,
Yes.
which says it's going to be 4 ounces of
Glue.
Elmer's glue. So, there's my Elmer's glue, and I actually went to Michael's and bought the big thing that actually was on sale.
Which is actually 1 gallon of Elmer's glue, which is,
A lot of glue.
yes.
Okay, I'm gonna turn off this light because it's making too much light. Is that better?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, those lights were shining bright. Anywho, so the instructions call for us to get 1 4-ounce.
Yes.
Put it on a paper towel, mommy.
4 ounce of glue, Elmer's glue.
And yes, I'm smacking gum. That's what I do. And now we're gonna
Open
get the contact solution and
Baking soda.
baking soda. So, London, if we want to start a channel, what do you think the channel should be called?
Mommy and daughter craft.
Mommy and Daughter Crafts?
Yeah.
Okay. One tablespoon of
Contact solution.
contact solution.
Okay, so we're gonna pour it in.
Okay. And one of the recipes, there's actually 2 recipes that I saw. One was calls for 1 tablespoon of baking soda,
baking
and
soda.
one says half a tablespoon.
Have a tablespoon of contact solution.
So what I'm gonna do is I'll do half a tablespoon on my solution and give her a whole tablespoon of
The slime.
baking soda.
Okay.
You can start mixing, mommy.
We're gonna start mixing.
And think about what color you're gonna choose.
Yes.
So now we're gonna start mixing. Let's see.
It's already going together, see?
I'm making a mess.
It's already coming together, like, you could see like that. It's not really even that texture.
I didn't think it was gonna work that fast.
But if it's not coming together really fast, you just need to add more contact solution. And then if you add more contact
I'm
solution,
wasting mine.
it's
I'm
going.
glad you're not making a mess, mommy. You're
It's-
making a mess.
If you add more contact solution, the more it is, the more how hers is obviously. You have to make sure all of it won't stick on the bowl. So it's basically me trying to say it won't, like it was coming off the bowl.
Okay, let me get it. You want to do acrylic paint or you want to do food coloring? Did yours finish mixing up, Mommy? It's not finished mixing up.
There's still water in it.
That's contact solution. Let me mix yours.
Oops. I'm already making a mess now. Oh, yours is like slimy. So,
Sorry.
she's still mixing mine, but hers is like slimy and stuff. So basically, what you want to, we're not ready yet, but we're going to put either acrylic paint or food coloring in the slime, and then we mix that together also, and then we will start kneading it together with our hands.
I tell you what, I bet you now, I'm seeing how the slimes turn out.
Yeah.
I think the slime is much better with,
Barks.
with half a teaspoon
Yes,
of
it
baking
is,
soda.
probably is. Like, it's probably like, people like to say honey or something like that.
It's good though.
We gotta make sure if it's stretched though, because slime doesn't work if it. Okay, that's probably good though. But I'm gonna admit yours is better than mine.
Guess what we could do though?
We can make another one.
And make another batch. 'Cause this one looks a little crazy.
Yes, it does.
So
We can still keep it. So, because if we didn't keep it, it would probably be just calling
give me a paper towel.
what you would call wasting.
2. Let's make her another batch. So the trick is right now, find out that half a tablespoon of baking soda is much better.
Yes. Also, make sure you're not making a mess, because, like,
We made a mess.
yes, a very, I wouldn't say a big mess, but it's, prefer it wouldn't. So, yes.
Put it back up there.
This would be, like, as you could see, we're making another one, though.
Okay.
Baking soda. And then you just mix it together, as she's doing right now.
And for those mommies who bake, what I'm basically doing is folding it in.
Like, you know how people fold like they're baking? That's what she's doing right there.
Yeah, look at, I think this is good. Okay, so what color you want?
It has to like.
I'm gonna get it all off of that off the side.
Yes, it has to. The big batch has to stick. Oh, it has to make sure all of it. How this one, all of the slime pieces are off. So that's basically.
There we go.
Yes, that's what she's doing.
Okay. We got slime, guys. Okay, what color you want, Mommy?
Food coloring.
So.
Oh, you know what we could do? We can mix colors.
Totally. So what color do you want?
So if these are
Your favorite color is yellow.
Yes.
So are we going with yellow or what?
So if these are the primary colors: blue, yellow, and red. This probably looks like orange.
This not a primary color? Green's not primary either?
It's I don't know. It's something almost like a primary color, but it's close to being blue.
But the true primary colors are what?
Blue, yellow, and red.
Okay.
So if we wanted to make purple, let's say we could mix these two colors. If we
And those
wanted
two colors are?
red and blue. And then if we wanted to make orange, we can mix red and yellow. If we wanted to make, there's other colors you could just try. Like if you were to mix green with blue, that would be a cool color combination. I don't really know what color we would make though. So I want to go with blue.
Okay.
So if you want a dark purple, you're gonna have to add a lot of blue. But I want a light purple, so.
I think you should do 1 drop of each. So just turn it down. Don't squeeze it. Just let it drop in by itself. Don't squeeze it. Just let it drop. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Let mommy see. Okay, I'll squeeze. Squeeze softly and make 1 drop.
Okay. Oop, that was like a little too much. Okay, that was a drop.
Okay, so mix it. I'm gonna try
Spoon.
the blue. Why you not using your fingers? Huh? Ain't that what slime is about?
Yeah, getting messy. This is really messy. I think I need more blue. Yeah, there's like reds. You know what? I probably added too much red though. But who cares? It's just slime.
I think we should have used gloves.
Yes, we should use gloves.
Go rinse that off real fast and get gloves. Hopefully I'm thinking that I'm gonna do blue and green and maybe to make a nice cool turquoise. Hopefully. I think we got dye on the table. It's okay though.
Oh,
You didn't get the blue gloves?
you need gloves too.
Yeah.
So I'll get. Okay. Now we're gonna put the gloves on. That's gonna be the worst. Good thing you're gonna get off those gloves. These gloves don't really. Did you make? I want to know what I think you did. I think you mixed. You're making a turquoise. It looks pretty much like a turquoise. So I think you mixed green and blue.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to go.
Check it out, guys. It's more green. I want more blue.
Mine's turning like, you know, the color of the American flag? Like the flag from America? That's probably what it looks like. It doesn't look like a purplish, it just looks like this and stuff. But hey. I think we should have used like acrylic paint or something.
You think so?
Yes. Can I go show them the slime I already have? The slime my friend gave me? See, it's almost turning like a purple, but it just needs more kneading. I feel like it needs more red and blue.
So what could we do to make it more slimy, London? Is there anything you can add to make it more slimy, or this is perfect?
More stretchy?
Yeah.
Lotion.
Oh, okay.
So if we were to, you know, the best lotion works? I'm sorry to say, but this is the best lotion.
Girl, that's my good lotion. That's the best lotion?
Yeah, it's the best lotion.
So we add lotion to this, it's gonna change the consistency?
Yes, but you only need one drop, not two, just one. like you need a tiny drop of this, like that, and then you'll mix it. If it's not good enough, you would just add more. See, I see that I added the lotion, and now. And
Lotion makes it more stretchy, guys. That's what she's telling me.
I believe she doesn't like this. It's a good lotion that works though. But it's gonna make it work. Trust me, I tried it before. Sometimes it gets sticky if you add too much, so yeah, I think I need more coloring. See, it's gonna.
Yeah.
But if you stretch it too hard, it will be like.
That's how I wanted to pop. Like when I watch the YouTube videos and how they stick their fingers in it.
Yeah, that's what I'd be doing. You know, the first slime I ever had, my friend gave me that orange one. Mm-hmm. Too bad that dried up, so I threw it in the trash. Then she gave me another one, and then that's not
good. Mommy, I think we did a good job.
Yeah, but I still want this to be purple.
So what color do you think we need to add more to it?
Probably both colors. Like
a small drop?
Yes, a small drop. Because it's almost purple. It looks more like, I don't know if you got, it looks, on the camera, it looks more like grayish.
Mine's look what?
Turquoise.
Yeah.
So she's going to add more red, tiny drop. Tiny. Okay, that's good. Okay, and then she's gonna add a drop of blue. Okay, and then I'll mix it together, and then, okay, she's gonna mix it together. And then, you know what, if you failed, it will still turn out slimy, but you know what, we could probably add color to this, can't we?
Okay, here comes the color.
Okay, here comes the color. It doesn't look like that purplish, but I still like it. It's still like a pretty color. Can we make another one?
Girl, I told her I gotta get dressed so I can go out, and she's still talking about making another one. And this mommy doesn't go out that often, so.
If he were, we could, if he didn't go
This
out.
looks like the slime on TV.
TV? You mean, YouTube?
YouTube, yeah. Okay, now we got it perfect enough so we can play with it with our regular
My hands are
hands.
still blue, not because of that. See?
It looks good, London.
It's just so satisfying. But if we were to add either shaving cream, it would be fluffy. If we were.
But we're not.
Adding that. Does Dad ever use shaving cream?
Mm-hmm. That's why he has some in his room.
I never seen him shave.
I think yours is better than mine.
No, let me see this.
Okay, is there anything else you want to say before we sign out?
I just want to say have a good time making this. It's really like a fun, creative activity to do with your parent, just like we did. So have a great day or night.
And it is kind of like evening. It's not really neither both, but yeah.
Yeah, it's because it's only 7:04 p.m.
All right, guys. Peace and love. Mommy love you.
Love you.
All right. Sign out, guys. Peace.